Hello and welcome to this video where I show you how can you use the chat as a pro member. The chat is without any limits for pro members. So here we can see that I am on the profile of a pro member. I will show two examples on how you can start a conversation. The first one will be when you as a pro member contact a student, and the second one is when the students contact you. Let's start with the first example. When you scroll down, you can see that a student liked your card, or in other words, the student follows you. When you want to start a conversation, click on student's name. So we can see that this chat is inactive, but when you write a message to a student, it will become orange, or in other words, active. It's not a real-time chat. It works kind of like an email, so you have to refresh to see the new messages. To do so, simply click on the orange chat. In this case, the student replied right away. And as noted in the beginning of this video, as a pro member, you can write as many messages and you can have as many chats active as you want. The second example is when the student contacts you first. The notification for this you can either check when you click on your profile picture, and then under chat you can see next to the chat the number of new messages, or I will simply in this case refresh this page. So I see that I have a new chat that is already active and a new message from a student, and I can reply as a teacher. A useful info at this point: a student is able to provide a rating for you only after you have exchanged at least 10 messages in the chat with them, with a minimum of 5 messages sent by each of you. Once they have given you a rating, they can rate you again, but not until 30 days have passed.